Hello dear students, welcome to this new session. In this video, we are going to discuss features of Indian climate, why it is and why is it, and about season. In 1 year, India having 4 seasons. So we are going to discuss all the things one by one. First, features of India. Look at this features of India and just think over why it is. Okay? So, features of Indian climate is tropical monsoon climate India. Okay? Secondly, we have diversity in the climatic conditions. Third one is monsoon mechanism dominates Indian climate. Obviously, when we go through entire chapter, that means about monsoon, we have an idea. We will have an idea about why monsoon dominate Indian climate. Okay? So, presence of 4 distinct season in a year. In 1 year, India having 4 season. Okay? So, tropical depression, being cyclonic condition due to which India facing late monsoon. Okay? Westerly depressions causing winter rainfall. Okay? So, why all the things? Look at the topography of India, physiography of India. As you know, this is the peninsular part of India and this is the sea, water bodies in India, Arabian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, and this is Indian Ocean. Okay? And from this coastal region, we have Eastern Ghat, which is mountain, series of mountains. And the Western Ghat, and this is Eastern Ghat. Okay? This is Aravalli range, this is the Himalayan range. And this is the landmass of India, plateau, Deccan Plateau, and this is the northern plain of India. As you know, what? Land cooled faster than sea. Land cooled faster than sea. And you also know about sea breeze, land breeze, and the scenario of these water bodies. And here is Tibetan Plateau also, which is in summer. This is the great impact of Tibetan Plateau and this Indian desert, which is why monsoons comes in India, attracts India monsoon wind and falls monsoon, due to which Indian farmers and Indians cater to the need of agriculture and so many things. Okay? So this is the thing why this is the feature of climatic feature of India. These climatic features in India. Okay? That means topography, physiography of India is what? Physiography of India, due to which we have these sorts of features. Now we are going to discuss season of India. As you know, there is a 4 season in India in 1 year. Look at this. Wait. So, season of India. As you know, we have winter season, summer season, monsoon season, and retreating monsoon season. 4 season basically in India. Okay? Indian climate totally depends on monsoon climate. Okay? So, in winter season, firstly we are go through winter season, which comes in India in the month of what? In the month of December to and February. Okay. So month of December to February we have winter season. In winter season, look at the scenario of winter season. In winter season, when sun, the 23rd of September, sun vertically falls on equator, and 23rd of December it falls on what? Tropic of Capricorn in southern hemisphere. Due to this, in part of India we have what? Not sun, direct light of sun. It is a slant light of sun, due to which in Indian landmass high pressure and low temperature zone. These are high altitude. In high altitude we have low pressure and low temperature, but in the landmass of India, high temperature and high pressure. This is high temperature and high pressure belt. Okay, or entire India. But in the coastal region, relative in comparison to landmass, in the coastal region we have what? Low pressure and high temperature. Relatively, these. Because due to this, offshore wind means wind not blow nearer to this area. So wind comes from where? Landmass to this area. So high pressure to low pressure, as you know, in the last few video I must tell you. So in winter season, as you know, this scenario, so this area, high altitude zone, we have snowfalls, and average temperature of this winter season is 21st degree Celsius, and in this area temperature will be in minus. Okay, and this area, coastal region, we have 23 to 26 degree Celsius temperature. Okay, coastal area. So you can easily differentiate. And winter season, we have two things important in winter season. One is winter rainfall, and second one is northeast rainfall. Western disturbance. Due to western disturbance, westerly jet stream, due to, suppose this is Mediterranean Sea, suppose this is Mediterranean Sea, this is the area of Mediterranean Sea where cyclonic condition developed in the month of December, because this is the huge water bodies, and this cyclonic, due to this cyclonic condition, winds blow because of jet stream, winds blow towards India. So in the month of this north part of India, that means Rajasthan, UP, Uttarakhand, and this part, we have what? Rainfall due to this. Okay, in the month of December and January. Okay, so this is called western disturbance. In the winter rainfall due to western disturbance. And now retreating, due to retreating monsoon, that means when monsoon returned from India, there will be another scenario. Look at this scenario. So in the month of October to November, entire India, in the month of November, October, November, entire India, no rainfall, faces no rainfall. But in the Tamil Nadu coast, what? It's almost 70 centimeter rainfall occurs. Why? This is the big question and it is important also. So, retreating monsoon, that means northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon. So, northeast monsoon having less energy and less moisture. Okay? So, when it returns, no impact over India. But when it crosses over Bay of Bengal, the moisture containing winds comes near cool air and due to condensation it bursts over Tamil Nadu coast. Okay? You understand it easily? Two scenario. In the next video, we are going to discuss summer season and monsoon, and next we have retreating monsoon. Till then, be safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.